is the perpendicular from the origin to the line y is equals to mx plus c. Meet it at the point -1, 2. Find the values of m and c. So let's understand the question by using the xy plane, right? So this is the y-axis. This is the x-axis we have, right? Now, let's say there is a perpendicular from the origin. So this is the origin, everyone. Okay. So from the origin, we have a perpendicular to the line. So line, let's make a line first. Let's say line, this is this line. Y is equals to mx plus c. So this line, let's say this is line L1. And we have a perpendicular from the origin. Let's say this is the perpendicular. And perpendicular means that line. Perpendicular is making an angle of 90 degree with the line. So this perpendicular I am taking as L2. Okay. Now meet it at, this perpendicular meet the line at point -1, 2. We know that this is the origin and the origin have the coordinate as 0, 0. So if you will see for the line 2, L2, we can directly find out the slope. Let's say for example, let it slope of line L1 we are representing by M1. Slope of line L2 we are representing by M2, right? Now everyone, when we are talking about the slope of the perpendicular, which is L2, so we have the direct formula to find out the slope. So what is the formula? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula for the slope. So if we use this formula for the L2 line, so M2, we know that, let's say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, or you can change -1, 2 as x1 y1 or 0, 0 as x2 y2, it's your choice. So I am taking this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2 for line L2. So I am putting it the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it's 0, 2, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 minus 0 is -1. So the value of M2 is -2. We know that both the lines are perpendicular. When two lines are perpendicular, so the product of their slope is equals to -1. Slope of line L2 multiply slope of line L1 is equals to -1. We have the value of M2, which is multiplied 2. So what is the value of M1? This is M1, sorry, because we have already find out the value of M2. So this is M1. So this is minus half by -2. So M1 value is half. Okay, M1 value is half. So M is the slope for the line L1, which is represented by M only. I have find out as M1. So the M and the M1, they both are same. So that is half. So we have find out the value of M. Now let's work out for the value of C. You know that -1, 2 is a point on line L1. So we can directly put it in the y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, whenever we have a point on the line and the value of line is this one, equation of this one. So we can directly put that point because -1, 2 lies on the line L1 also. And we have the value of m also for the line L1. So what is y? We have the point this one, which we have taken as x and y. So y is 2. What is m? Slope for the line L1, which is m1. What is the value of m1 we got? The value of m1 we got as half. Okay, half times what is x? X is -1. Okay, because we are talking about the point -1 plus c. Now we just have to solve it. So 2 is equals to -half plus c. So we take that number to that side. So it will become 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to c. So c is equals to 5 by 2. After taking LCM, we got the value of c. So c is 5 by 2. And the slope for the line L1, which we are represented as M1, which is M only, that is half, right? So yeah, thank you everyone.